This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, guys, let's get started. So, I would like to welcome you all to this um SCCM overview session, wherein I will be giving you the details about SCCM training, how the training will get conducted, the duration, and what all things will be covered in this training. So, first of all, excuse me, guys. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Kashif. I am from Mumbai. I have 13 years of practical IT experience. I am a BSc IT graduate from Mumbai University, and after completing my graduation, I started working in IT field, wherein I worked in various technologies, but SCCM was my primary focus. So I worked in service desk profile and then SCCM level 1, level 2, level 3, and now I'm working as a architect, wherein I design and implement technologies for the companies. So I have implemented SCCM in various companies so far. Now, apart from this project and implementation task, I am basically involved in training, right? I do training and um, project task. So I have taken more than hundreds of training so far, wherein I have trained more than 30,000 students globally. I take online training, classroom training, offline training, corporate training. So that is my basically um, that's about me, guys. Uh, Now let's focus on the SCCM part. So the duration of this training is going to be 35 days. Okay, daily we are going to do 1 hour session, Monday to Friday. Okay, daily 1 hour session we will do Monday to Friday. Now the time, right? What time we will do SCCM session? It is 9 a.m. IST India time. I am also starting Intune, right? Intune session from tomorrow, and that is the duration for Intune is 30 days. Okay, daily 1 hour session for Intune to Monday to Friday. Okay, and that is basically going to start at 7 a.m., 7 to 8. Okay, the Intune, and SCCM is 9 a.m. So these are two different courses, SCCM and Intune, which are getting started from tomorrow. So SCCM at 9 a.m. and Intune at 7 a.m. Now let's discuss about the course content. So if you have not received the course content, I will share with you the course content. So the course content is right here. So this is going to be for 35 days, daily 1 hour session. We have 16 modules. So starting from module 1, wherein we will be discussing about the site roles and benefit and the architecture. Then from module 2, we will start doing our practical, and we'll have our SCCM server ready. Then discovery and organizing resources, managing the configuration manager client, managing inventory and software metering, query and reporting data, managing software deployment and using application and package model, deploying and managing software updates, managing operating system deployment, right? Endpoint protection using SCCM, managing compliance setting and profile, mobile device management. I will also include some of the Intune uh, aspects, the basic information of Intune. I will add that one into SCCM session. Configuring power management, remote control, overview of config manager site maintenance, addition of new secondary site, and other miscellaneous topics. So these are going to be covered in the um, session for 35 days. It is going to take 35 days to finish all the topics. So that's the course content. Now, we currently don't have any exam. So for SCCM, we don't have an exam. Previously, we used to have 20-243, they got expired. Then 70-703, they got expired. We don't have any exam at the moment. Now, why SCCM? Okay, why do we need SCCM? So SCCM is basically a device management solution. So suppose you have SCCM server, what you do, you manage devices. You have like hundreds of devices or thousands of devices. Let's say there are 10,000 devices in New York, right? 20,000 devices in Chennai, right? Let's say 10,000 devices in Mumbai, okay? And 5,000 devices in London. So how do you manage these devices? We will be managing these devices from SCCM server. SCCM will be deploying applications, right? Updates, right? Policies, then operating system, right? Configuration, right? Power management or power policy, right? So there are n number of things SCCM does. SCCM will be able to have complete control on the devices. Okay, it will have complete control on all these devices. So that's the reason we need SCCM. Suppose if you have to install Google Chrome on these 10,000 devices, so you can use SCCM. If you have to install updates, the latest version of updates on these 5,000 devices, you can do it from SCCM. If you have to install if you have to install Windows 10 operating system on these 10,000 computers, you can do it from SCCM, right? If you have to deploy some policies on these 20,000 devices, you can do it from SCCM. So SCCM is basically a device management solution which will help you to manage devices. Now, what all devices you can manage from SCCM? You can manage Windows 10, Windows 11, right? You can manage Windows Server as well. Windows Server, which server? 2016, because 2012 is already gone now. 2019, 2022. Then you will be able to manage Mac OS as well, Mac operating system. Okay, so currently SCCM is managing Windows 10, Windows 11, Windows Server, and MacBook. Okay, Linux is gone. You cannot manage Linux devices. You cannot manage Android and iPhone devices through SCCM. All good, guys? Everyone?
Yeah, all good.
Hmm?
All good, Kashif.
Okay. So now, why you should learn SCCM? Okay. Reason to learn SCCM. Point number one, it's a matured technology. Matured one. Why? Because it is there. It started by Microsoft in the year 1994, right? As SMS, System Management Server. So it started as SMS in 1994. Then in the year 2007, they changed the name from SMS to SCCM. That happened in the year 2007. Multiple versions released in between 1994 and 2007. Then multiple versions released between 2007 and 2019. So now the new name is MECM, Microsoft Endpoint Configuration Manager, and that happened in the year 2019. Okay, so previous the first name was SMS, second name SCCM, third name is MECM, Microsoft Endpoint Configuration Manager. Previously we used to call it as System Center Configuration Manager or SMS, System Management Server. But the new name is, this is the new name, the latest name is MECM, Microsoft Endpoint Configuration Manager. Okay, now what is the latest version of MECM? That is MECM 2309. What is 23? 23 means 2023. 09 is September. Last month they have released this version, MECM 2309. That's the latest version of SCCM at the moment. So if you calculate the number of years from 1994 to 2023, you will see the number of years. How many years? 29 years. This product is there in the market. So it's a matured product, right? SCCM, reason to learn SCCM, point number one, it's a matured product. Point number two, you will see SCCM in almost all big size and medium size companies. Almost everywhere you will find SCCM. Point number three is good vacancies. You have good vacancies. Point number four, you have good salary as well. So those who are in US like Yashwant, you can expect a salary of $50 per hour. As per the statistic, as per the average salary, $50 per hour. Those who are in India, you can expect a salary of 8 lakh per hour. Sorry, per hour, per year, not per hour. 8 lakh rupees, Indian rupees, average salary per year. Good salary, good vacancies. Point number five, um, less competitors. You don't have many competitors of SCCM, right? Then point number six is easy to learn. Why it is easy? Because you don't have any programming languages, you don't have any coding languages, so no programming, no coding. Okay, everything is pre-configured. You just have to use the console. The steps are there. You have to use those steps to perform the task. So no coding, no programming. Okay. Now point number eight is no programming, right? Now I must tell you one thing, that if you compare with SCCM and Intune, as per the job market. So SCCM job vacancies is less and Intune vacancies are more. Okay. Now if you compare with the learning, suppose which one is will be little tough and which one will be easier. So Intune will be more easier rather than SCCM. SCCM will be little tough. Okay. So those who are from non-IT background like Yashwant, okay, so if you are planning to choose a career between SCCM and Intune, so I teach both of them, but I would like to give you a right direction. Okay, if you have good vacancies of SCCM, then it's okay at your end. But as per my experience and my research, what I see is most of the people are going on Intune now for device management. Server
Yeah,
management will
mostly
be done by
companies are
SCCM.
preferring both, right?
Yeah, if you know both the both the technologies, then it is better. Basically, people who are good in SCCM and Intune, chances are very high to get selected because uh, most of the companies have SCCM and now they are moving towards Intune. So they
Intune,
don't
yes,
want to
latest.
hire two different people. They would like to continue with the same person who has good command over SCCM. So if you are planning to learn both of them, so start with SCCM first and then go to Intune. It will be better. Okay. So it will be easier. So that's all up to you guys. You choose what is, you know, what you would like to choose. But as per my experience, I'm giving you the insight, understanding as per the job market plus the learning, which one will be easier, which one will be tough, because I teach both of them. So for me it's not a problem, but you decide yourself. I'm giving you the information. Okay, so now for SCCM, these are the 8 points which you can consider to choose a career. Okay, it's a matured product. Almost all big size, medium size companies have this one. Good vacancy, good salary, less competitor, easy to learn, no coding, no programming. Okay, now after this training you can show at least 2 years of experience. Okay, experience to on your resume. Okay, that I have 2 years of experience uh, working on SCCM profile. Then you cannot go as a fresher. If you go as a fresher, chances are very high you will get rejected, because SCCM, Intune, these kind of jobs need at least minimum 2 years of experience. So after this training you can show 2 years of experience, because my training will start from scratch. So we will do the practical. So either we do the practical. So how we are going to do the practical lab? So we can do practical either local, or we can do it on Azure Cloud Data Center. So these two options are available. So once you finish this training, so I will also give you a sample resume. So you can take that resume and make some changes there and apply to the job portals. Okay. So after this training, you need to apply for apply to job portals, right? Like Naukri, Monster, Dice, Indeed, LinkedIn. You have to keep your resume there on these job portals and attend at least 10 interviews. So if you attend 10 interviews, minimum, maximum 10 interviews you have to attend, and then you will definitely get selected in uh, one of the organization. Okay, so that is the learning curve, and the practical and the experience, guys. Okay, any question from anyone?
Nothing from me.
Ayush, Ravindra, Sumit, Rishikesh.
No
Nothing
questions.
from my side.
Okay, I see
Kashif,
one.
can you
Hmm,
please tell us the configuration that we needed for the lab purpose, the machine configuration?
machine configuration minimum you need to have 12 GB RAM. a 4-core processor, and at least 200 GB free SSD hard disk for local. This is for local setup. Minimum this configuration is needed as a prerequisite. If you don't have this configuration, then simply go on Azure Cloud Data Center. A free, we will take free trial for 30 days. Okay?
Okay.
Okay,
Clear?
yeah, got you. Yep.
Any question from anyone?
Yeah, Kashif, can we take both the classes parallelly, or we want to finish the SCM first and later on we can go
No,
with the Intune?
I will not suggest you to go parallelly. Why? Because it will be too heavy to digest.
Yeah,
Plus, you will not be able to do the assignment because there will be some assignment from SCCM side, there will be some assignment from Intune side. So you will not be able to do that, and you will lose the track and you will lose interest. So my
yeah, it's very clumsy,
recommendation,
clumsy,
go,
I think so.
yeah. So my recommendation is to go step by step. So just like Sumit is my student. He has done one of the courses. Now going to the second one.
Okay, sure, Kashif, thanks for that.
Okay. Similarly, if anyone is interested into both of them, so don't do side by side. Better finish first
Yeah,
and
Kashif,
then do
actually, I
second
want
one.
to ask, like, do you have any friends here working on the SCM or Intune?
There are many people are there. I will add you to the group. There are US people, Canada. Are you in US or Canada?
Yeah, yes.
US. Okay. So I will
Yeah, I just want to know
let
the
you know.
how the market is for
Hmm.
SCM and Intune.
Okay.
And
I see one person, Shashi Kumar Singh. Shashi,
currently he's working
Hey,
here.
hi. Morning.
I
I joined
introduce
little
yourself,
bit
please.
late.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, so this is Shashi here, Kasif. I'm working as a service desk engineer. And yeah, so I just
Where?
wanted to learn the SCCM in Bangalore here in Moza Electronics Company.
Okay, you would like to learn SCCM.
Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, I was also there in service desk. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I worked there for like 3
Mhm.
years, I think. Yeah, initially.
Okay,
Yeah.
great.
Service desk is a broad profile, like desktop support or Windows admin or service desk. These are broad profile. But you have to choose a career down the line, right? So career path needs
Yes,
to be there so that you can walk through that career path. Because you cannot be in service desk for the rest of your life. Okay,
yes, that's correct, Kasif. That is the reason I'm just looking for the SCCM and then I'll go for the Intune to understand all the.
sure. Okay, so I'm starting from tomorrow, 9 a.m. SCCM session and 7 a.m. Intune session. As you see, let me give you again. So Intune session will start at 7 a.m. India time, and SCCM will start at 9 a.m. India time. Both are going to be for 1 hour. Intune will be 7 to 8 and SCCM will be 9 to 10 for 35 days, Monday to Friday, daily 1 hour session. Okay. And if you
Sure.
guys are interested to continue from tomorrow, either SCCM or Intune, you need to contact me and enroll to these courses. Okay. This is my contact number 989-235-4331. +91 is the India country code. So you can call me or send me a message on WhatsApp. Then I will uh, let you know the enrollment process, and then you can take the session. From tomorrow, we will do the session.
Okay, Kashif.
Okay, we'll contact you.
In Bangalore, I went to one of the companies, FireEye, that is an antivirus uh, company which makes antivirus. I delivered SCCM training there. That was in Electronic City. I don't remember exactly where was.
Yes.
Okay, so if you guys are interested to continue from tomorrow, so you can let me know, call me or send me a WhatsApp message. I will add you to the group. Okay.
One
Okay.
second, Kashif. Let me just take the note of this. Once the number I'm just taking it. No, I cannot take the screenshot. Okay. 9892 Okay. Thank you so much,
Thank you
Kashif. I
everyone
have taken.
for joining the session. I hope the session was informative. We'll meet tomorrow. Bye now. Bye everyone.
Thank you, Kashif.
Bye.
Okay, bye. Bye, Kashif. Thanks for your time.
Thank you, Kashif.
Thank you, Kashif. Bye.